Crack the code. Understand posture in English storytelling and jokes. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of posture and body positioning and how they affect your English storytelling and joke-telling skills. As we all know, communication is not just about what you say, but also how you say it. Body language, particularly your posture, can make a significant difference. Let's decode common postures and understand their meanings. The way we position our bodies while speaking can tell a lot about what we're thinking or feeling. In English storytelling or joke-telling, using our bodies effectively can make our narratives more engaging, expressive, and fun. Open postures. These indicate receptivity and openness. When you're telling a story or joke and want your audience to feel included and comfortable, stand straight, open your arms and face them directly. Closed postures. These can often indicate nervousness or defensiveness. Crossing your arms or hunching over can send a signal that you are not open to interactions or feedback. Avoid these when you're the one speaking. Relaxed postures. These can express comfort and ease, which can make your audience feel more relaxed too. A casual hand in your pocket or leaning against a wall can send these signals. Let's dive a bit deeper into specific postures. The confident speaker. Standing straight with your shoulders back, chin up, and hands either side of your body. This indicates confidence and authority. Use this when you're delivering the punchline of a joke or the climax of a story. The engaging narrator. Leaning slightly forward, with open palms and expressive hand movements. This indicates enthusiasm and engagement. This is great when you're setting up a joke or building suspense in a story. The listener. Nodding your head, maintaining eye contact, and leaning towards the speaker. This shows that you are actively listening and engaged in the conversation. Use this when someone is responding to your joke or story. Your posture should match the content of your story or joke. For example, if you're telling a sad story, slumping your shoulders a bit can emphasize the mood. If you're delivering a punchline, standing tall and confident can increase the impact. Remember, your body language is a powerful tool to enhance your narratives. That's all for today, folks. Remember, understanding and utilizing these posture cues can make a world of difference in your English storytelling and joke-telling skills. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be telling stories and jokes like a pro, engaging your audience with not just your words, but your body language as well. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.